Introducing Horton's line of HTEC fans. Horton's HTEC fans are unique in that they are not metal or nylon, but a proprietary thermoset engineered composite, ideal for solving customer challenges in heavy-duty off-road applications. HTEC fans are efficient, quiet, and extremely durable. HTEC fans are capable of moving more air at lower speeds than metal fans. And lower speeds means less noise. HTEC fans also provide more available horsepower for work like digging, lifting, turning, and ascending steep terrain. This allows for increased productivity and greater operator comfort. Unlike metal, the composite blade structure allows for optimized blade characteristics like length, pitch, shape, and tip design. And unlike nylon, the composite material features less deflection for even better cooling performance without the worry of corrosion. Efficient airflow enhances the productivity of equipment operating in heavy-duty off-road environments. Horton HTEC fans are the efficient choice. Introducing Aerius elastomeric coated HTEC fans for high abrasion environments and extreme operating conditions. Up to 25% more erosion resistance than duplex steel, up to 50 times more wear resistant than leading epoxy ceramic brands. Further enhancing the already robust HTEC composite fan blade with an elastomeric coating for greater durability and lifespan in higher abrasion environments and extreme operating conditions. Norman G. Clark ensures all HTEC fans are tested and balanced before being shipped to customers. Norman G. Clark offers on-site testing and validation of HTEC fans. Contact a Norman G. Clark sales engineer for more information.